Ha 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 ha. Hi, my people. So you have been taking surveys and your balance is growing, but how you do actually get that cash? Well, in this video, we will see how to withdraw from Surveoo. The first pass is logging into your Surveoo dashboard. You will see your current earning rate right at the top here. Click on the withdrawal tab before you start. Remember, you usually need a minimum of $20 or your local equivalent to cash out. Now, choose your method. Enter the amount and click request my payment. Paid service, click pay service, and here click for example this, click money withdrawal, and here select your preferred method. For example, PayPal International, any gift, digital walker, Jamba Juice, Gcash PHP, and click request my payment. Here, for example, here, make sure your email matches your PayPal if that's what you're using. Expect a processing time of about 24 to 48 hours. Once approved, the money is yours. It's that simple. Happy earning, and don't forget to like for more tips. Well, that's all for today's video. If you like it, and especially if it helped you, please leave a like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Until next time.